I think a lot of her relationships haven't worked is because she's so blinded by her love aspect of everything that she forgets to notice everything that's not working out in it. And a lot of the time she doesn't notice that the same, she has a thing, whether it's with her weight, whether it's with her relationships, whether it's with anything.
I don't think I'm waiting for it.
Okay, fine. It's the fact that she goes in a cycle. It's like from today. Oh wait, I'll give you an answer.
She's going on a date.
I'll go from the relationship point of view. This is the last time. I'm never getting this person back into my life. This person has done this. This person is this bad and has done this, and she's won 100 qualities. And I'm like, yes, I agree with you. I'm so glad that she's finally like getting over this person, throwing the person out of her life. Like, yeah, I totally agree with you. You can do 100 times better.
That's only one person.
We established that all of that is done and everything. I've liked all the other ones. We're talking about the ones that
The one.
correct.
Yeah.
Correct? And anyway, we established everything that's horrible with the person. We don't like this person. The person's out for good. And then 2 days later, the person comes back inside. And I'm like, 1 second, what happened to the person that had this? Oh, but he said he was going to change this time. He's working on the path to fixing himself. He is going to change this time, Alia. I know it. And then she said, okay, fine, one chance. Give it to him. Whatever. You believe in him. Good guy. Let's do this. Let's give him one more chance. Give him the chance. Same routine. Oh, Alia, he's horrible with him. Completely done this time. This again, the qualities come out with like a few added ones this time. All of that happens. Whole cycle. Glad she's moving on. 2 days. Look at how good I'm doing. This is happening in my life. Everything is turning around. 2 days later, he's back inside. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Okay, no. And then the same cycle happens again. And then you think, okay, happens again. You're like, okay, maybe she has something this time. Then again. And again. And again. And that is when I say,
And now do I get to have my say? This is when we get into what I call
oh my god, she let me speak.
the metaphysics of relationships. Okay, now listen carefully. This particular incident or gentleman that Alia has been speaking about, this is a one-off incident. Every other relationship,
Oh, yeah, I like all the
one-
other boys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
that's it.
So every other relationship has had their time and their course, and one has just had the resilience to say it's not working. Let's move on. And they've stayed great friends, and Madam Baby has moved on. This one particular gentleman that is the bone of contention currently, we've had this very rocky on off situation, and me myself, I have been extremely perplexed as to why I would allow such a person to enter and re-enter and re-enter
stay.
my orbit and stay and etc and all of that. Some things are unfathomable. Some things you just sit back and say, why would I, independent, broad-minded, opinionated, no-nonsense girl,
Yeah.
why would I allow that in my life? No, why would I allow that in my life? And then I do this most amazing course in hypnotherapy where you understand what's called a metaphysics of relationships. And I go back and I realize that I have known this gentleman over 3 lifetimes.
Oh, Lord.
Okay? No, I know this.
More reasons to just go back. And
One
we
second.
run back to
Hold
it.
on.
Whoa.
One,
Running
let me
mama's
speak.
speed of light. Oh,
This is so interesting because this
There
adds a
are
whole
always
new
reasons.
dimension.
If you look
Of
for
course there are
reasons, you will
reasons.
always find
Thank
reasons.
God I find the reasons, otherwise it was just
Why would you
horrendous.
want to be with such an awful person is my question.
No, firstly, he's not awful. Okay? He has a few bad qualities.
Oh, one more. We're
okay?
halfway back to the circle.
No.
Oh, Mama, when is he gonna walk through the door now? Should I?
No
open it?
idea.
Oh, that's all. I can hear a doorbell. Let's do it. We're
No.
halfway up the circle again.
No. So basically,
Mama,
I realized.
I'm sorry. He's back.
Let me speak. Okay,
He's back.
so basically, I've known this gentleman over 3 lifetimes. Okay, very interesting. I've had a lifetime in India where he was a Swami. I've had an Italian lifetime with him. I've had a Japanese lifetime with him. I saw all 3 lifetimes. Beautiful story. I swear each one of them was a bloody film script happening. It was
That's
so
because
beautiful.
it was your
and so-
imagination.
Alia, once again, I have little respect for my work in hypnotherapy. Yeah, I'm a professional trained hypnotherapist.
Yes,
I've done
Mama,
5
you've done
levels.
5 courses
Yeah,
in it.
I've done 5 levels,
I
not
get
5
it.
courses, 5 levels.
I
I've
get
got the
it.
highest degree in hypnotherapy right now.
I get it.
Okay, so then I see this 3 lifetimes happen with this gentleman. I see a karmic pact that we've made 3 lifetimes ago to always be together in every lifetime and to hold each other's hands and get each other back on the path. So now when I see, okay, this is a karmic pact made so many years, so many decades and decades and lifetimes ago, saying that we will always come together in our lives and we will always help each other get back on the path. There's so much clarity as to why I would insanely get this person back again and again and again into my life. What actually brought that person repeatedly into my life? Why would I repeatedly open the door? It didn't make sense. Now it makes sense. Okay, so then I think
Yeah,
does
it makes
that
sense
one
that you known him for 3 lives, and
One
they were a
second.
Swami and a Japanese couple and an Italian.
Okay,
3
so
lives
basically,
ago.
so
and
basically, one second.
makes
So
so much
basically,
sense.
so does it make sense
Makes
to you?
sense.
But it makes sense to me.
Makes
so,
sense,
so anyway,
everyone.
but however, you also have the option of undoing a pact in this lifetime by saying we may have made a pact 3 lifetimes ago. We can undo it in this lifetime, and also it doesn't mean we have to be a couple in this lifetime. It could also mean we could meet. We have been a couple, fine. We could also choose to stay friends and help each other be on the path. Once you have that clarity, you can say, okay, when you meet the person, you say, let's just be friends. Let's bring
knows
this
that
back
doesn't
of
work with
lifetime
you.
after lifetime. No, 1 second, Alia, please. Because now with this clarity, there's a lot of, there's different avenues and areas you can go into. So we can make a conscious decision to be friends, to always help each other be on the path. That doesn't mean you necessarily have to be a couple and intertwined in each other's lives constantly. You can amend the dynamics of that relationship and still live up to a pact or a vow made. That I found really interesting. I see my relationships very differently. Yes, I'm not a very practical, cut and dry kind of person. Yes, I'm romantic, I'm idealistic. Yes, I love alternative sciences. Yes, I love metaphysics. I love the concept of lifetimes and lifetimes and lifetimes and past lives and future lives and life between lives, and I'm fascinated by that world. I'm fascinated by alternative science. And I feel if that spills over to my relationship, I'll just spend time understanding it. I have no issues with that. Life is fantastic. Life is so
Can we move on
beautiful.
now? Please, can I make my point? You've been talking for like the
Make.
past 5 minutes.
I'll
Nobody
make
cares
my
about
point.
metaphysics, Mama.
Of course people do.
Nobody
You
cares.
don't.
Come
Who
on.
said?
Okay, now my point here is okay.
Okay,
Mama,
so wait,
one
here.
second, Mama.
Whoever cares about metaphysics, please put "we care about metaphysics" comment on the YouTube thing, or say we don't give a shit about metaphysics.
Yeah,
so it's your
please,
choice
okay,
to do that right
no.
now
And
on
all
this,
of you
on this
wonderful
channel.
people who
So-
know, don't say mean stuff about her. Okay, because I know that she sounds crazy. Sometimes I want to say some very mean things that I don't. So don't be mean if you don't believe in what she says.
Aww.
Just 1 second, stop. Just write a comment saying Alia is right, because nothing upsets her more than knowing that she is wrong. But don't say she is wrong. Just say Alia is right. That is it. That is all I